Welcome to Bike Zone, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of motorcycles. In today's video, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Yamaha R15 V5. This iconic machine has evolved once again, and we're here to break down its features, performance, design, and everything you need to know before you hit the road. So let's get started. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 takes a bold step forward in design, continuing the legacy of its predecessors while introducing a fresh, aggressive look. With sharp, aerodynamic lines, it exudes a sense of high-speed precision. The front-end design has received a significant upgrade, featuring a sleek LED headlamp that not only enhances visibility but also gives the bike a more futuristic appearance. The bodywork is sculpted to perfection, with enhanced fairings that reduce drag, ensuring maximum performance at higher speeds. Yamaha has also paid special attention to the ergonomics, offering a more comfortable riding stance, making it suitable for both track days and everyday commuting. Performance and engine. At the heart of the 2025 R15 V5 is a 155cc liquid-cooled, 4-valve engine that promises improved power delivery and efficiency. The V5 boasts a refined version of Yamaha's VV variable valve actuation technology, which ensures seamless power transitions across different RPM ranges. With an output of around 18.6 horsepower, this bike is ready to deliver impressive acceleration and top-end speed while still offering exceptional fuel economy. The inclusion of a slipper clutch and a 6-speed gearbox further enhances the R15 V5's riding experience. The slipper clutch reduces rear wheel chatter during hard downshifts, allowing for smoother transitions and more confident cornering. Whether you're on a twisty mountain road or carving through city streets, the 2025 R15 V5 offers the performance you need. Technology and features. Yamaha has introduced several advanced features in the 2025 R15 V5, taking the riding experience to a whole new level. The bike now comes equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster, offering an easy-to-read display that shows key metrics like speed, gear position, fuel efficiency, and more. The standout feature, however, is the introduction of a ride-by-wire throttle system that enhances throttle response and ensures more precise control. The R15 V5 also comes with dual-channel ABS anti-lock braking system, which enhances safety by preventing wheel lockups during hard braking. This feature, combined with the bike's new braking components, ensures you have full control, even in challenging situations. Chassis and suspension. One of the key upgrades in the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 is its revamped chassis and suspension system. The R15 has always been known for its agility, and the V5 takes this to a whole new level. The new Delta box frame is lighter and stronger, providing better stability and handling at high speeds. Coupled with an upgraded telescopic front fork and a link-type rear suspension, this bike is built to conquer tight corners and handle rough roads with ease. Comfort and ergonomics. While the Yamaha R15 V5 is a performance-oriented machine, Yamaha hasn't neglected rider comfort. The seating position has been slightly revised for better long-distance comfort, with an ergonomic seat that provides the right balance of support and cushioning. The handlebars are positioned for an aggressive yet comfortable riding posture, allowing for optimal control without compromising comfort. Safety and handling. Safety has always been a top priority for Yamaha, and the 2025 R15 V5 is no exception. With its advanced braking system, including dual-channel ABS and improved suspension, the R15 V5 offers a high level of safety, especially during emergency braking or cornering at speed. The bike's handling is incredibly sharp, allowing for precise inputs and quick responses, whether you're tackling a twisty mountain road or city traffic. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 is expected to hit the market soon, and while official pricing may vary depending on the region, it is expected to be slightly higher than the previous generation due to the upgraded features and technology. However, given the performance and features on offer, the R15 V5 is still positioned as one of the most affordable and exciting sport bikes in its segment. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 is undoubtedly one of the most exciting motorcycles in its category. With its refined performance, aggressive styling, improved handling, and cutting-edge technology, the R15 V5 takes everything that made its predecessors great and makes it even better. Whether you're a track enthusiast or a daily commuter, the R15 V5 is ready to deliver an unparalleled riding experience. That's all for today's video. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Bike Zone for more in-depth reviews and motorcycle content. Until next time, ride safe and keep the throttle open.